How to lock iPhone screen for YouTube. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. Scroll down to the General section at the end and tap on Guided Access. Over here, turn on the Guided Access feature at the top. Guided Access keeps the iPhone in a single app and allows you to control which features are available. Now, go back and open up the YouTube application. You are now in the YouTube homepage. From here, scroll down and open any video that you like. And then, triple-click the side button to start guided access. Circle areas on the screen you would like to disable and then tap on Start at the top right corner. Set a new passcode to continue. Confirm your new passcode again. Guided access had now started. Triple-click the side button to exit. Following these steps, you can easily lock iPhone screen for YouTube.